Hi and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, a big warm welcome. My name is Jan and this is Hideout Cooking, the YouTube channel where you can find lots of easy and delicious recipes. Today we're going to make homemade vanilla extract. It's an important ingredient in many recipes, so we're going to show how easy you can make your own. This very simple recipe will save you money in the long run. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe to our channel, it's completely free. Also, remember to click the little bell icon so you won't miss out on any of our future videos.